Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint my Mardi Gras Gator paint kit. First, I'm going to go in with my dark green and my number 12 brush, which is the largest in your packet, and I'm going to base coat my alligator. And I'm also going to paint one section of his jester hat that he's wearing. Next, I'm going to go in with the purple that's provided and paint the middle section on his jester hat. And you guys, everything you need to complete this project is included in your kit. You'll have to paint a pack of 10 brushes, a Sharpie brushstroke marker, and the cutout needed. And you can purchase these online at buildacross.com. I'm going in now with the yellow, and I'm painting the last section on my jester hat. And then I'm going to use those three colors to paint the little tassel area on each of my sections. So I'm going in with the purple now. Yellow for my green area, and then lastly I'll put the green on my purple area. And I like to keep just like some water and paper towels or baby wipes around to clean my brush and be able to continue to use it throughout my project. Next, I'm going to go in with the white that's provided, and I'm going to paint the trim detail that's on his jester hat. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of our videos, you can check us out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Facebook Live at 11 a.m. Central Time. We would be so happy to see you there. And then once I'm done with this little section here, I will be finished base coating. So I will allow everything plenty of time to dry. Once it is dry, I will go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker as pictured, and I will outline everything. And this step is so easy because all I'm doing is following the lines stretched into the cutout for me with my Sharpie marker. And to me, this is the funnest part because this is when everything really starts to come to life and take shape. And then once I'm done outlining, you guys, I'll swap my Sharpie brushstroke marker for a paintbrush, and I'll be using a number 4, which is one of the smallest brushes in the pack, and some white paint, and I will just use that to highlight everything, which just kind of softens and brightens and finishes my whole look. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy these paint kits, and have a wonderful day.